So word problem leading to linear equation. So some statement can be expressed in mathematical form, which will not change the meaning of what is contained in the original statement. So I'll give you question in statement form, and you will just have to use mathematical language to ensure that you solve the problem. Example: 1/3 of a number added to 4/5 of itself is equal to 17. Find the number. Okay, so let x represent the number. So 1/3 of x is 1 over 3 times x, which is x over 3. Then 4/5 of x will be 4 over 5 times x, which is 4x over 5. So their sum, they say their sum is equals to 17. So 1/3 of x plus 4/5 of x is equals to 17. So of course this is a fractional equation. LCM of 3, 5, and 1 is 15. So you multiply through the equation by the LCM. So 15 times this fraction plus 15 times this sect equals to 15 times 17 over 1. So 3 here, 1, 3 here, 5. 5 here, 1, 5 here, 3. Then we have 5 times x is 5x plus 3 times 4x is 12x equals to 15 times 17 is 255. Then we have 17x equals to 255. So divide both sides by the coefficient of x. So the coefficient of x is 17. So we have 17x over 17 equals to 255 over 17. So therefore, our x is going to be equal to 15. 255 divided by 17 is 15. 17 cancels 17. You have x. Example 2, we have a man is 4 times as old as his son. In 4 years' time, he will be 3 times as old as his son. What are their ages now? Okay, so now let the son's age be y. Then the father's age will be 4 times y, which is equal to 4y, because his father is 4 times as old as his son. In 4 years' time, their age will be, so in 4 years' time, that is extra additional 4 years. The father's current age plus the 4 years that to come will be 4y plus 4. The son will be y plus 4, because this 4 is the additional in 4 years' time. Okay, so but 4y plus 4 is 3 times y plus 4, because according to the statement they said he will be 3 times as old as his son. 3 times as old as his son. So now when the man is 3 times as old as his son, he discovered that this is a man's age. It will be 3 times the son's age. Look at it here. 3 times the son's age. So therefore the man's age is equals to 3 times y is 3y plus 3 times 4 is 12. By the time you collect the items, you discover that 4y, if this plus 3 is crossing to the other side, change to minus 3y, which is equals to 12 minus 4, because this 4 is plus here. If it's going to the right hand side, it's changed to minus 4. So 4y minus 3y is y, 12 minus 4 is 8. So therefore their ages now will be the son's age. The son's age will be 8 years. The father's age, since it's 4 times the son's age, it's going to be 4 times 8, which is 32 years. So in 4 years' time, the son will be 8 years, the father will be 32 years. Example 3 is this. Okay. So the sum, so there's a word omitted here. The sum of, look at my cursor, the sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 36. Find the numbers. So let the numbers be x plus 1, x plus 2. So these are the sum of 3 consecutive numbers. Okay, 3 consecutive numbers. So if you add these 3 consecutive numbers, you're going to have x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals to 36. Their sum is 36. So x plus x is 3x. 1 plus 2 is 3 equals to 36. Collect the like terms. 3x is going to be equal to 36 minus 3, because taking positive to the right hand side, crossing the sum of inequality, change to minus. So we have 3x equals to 36 minus 3x is 36 minus 3x is 33. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x. So we are going to have 3x over 3, 33 over 3, which is going to be equals to 11. Okay, 3 divided by 3 is 11. So the numbers are x plus 1, and x plus 2. So x is 11, x plus 1 will be 11 plus 1, and then x plus 2 will be 11 plus 2. So 11 down, 11 plus 1 is 12, and then 11 plus 2 is 13. So the three consecutive numbers is 11, 12, and 13. All right, another example again. The same number the same number is added to both the numerator and denominator of the fraction. 7 over 17. If the fraction becomes 6 over 11, find the number added. So the same number is added. So we don't know the number. Let the number that is added be x. So 7 over 17 is the fraction they give us. I say we should add it to the numerator and the denominator. X 7 plus x and then 17 plus s. So if you add it and say if the output becomes 6 over 11, this is what we have. Okay, 6 over 11. So you cross multiply. So you cross multiply, 11 will multiply the whole of this, and 6 will multiply the whole of this. So therefore 11 times what? The whole of this, and 6 times the whole of this. You expand and collect the like tens, and 11 times 7 is 77, plus 11 times x is 11x, 6 times 17 is 102, plus 6 times x is 6x. You collect the like tens now, 11x minus 6x, because this 6 is here, taking it to the left hand side, change to minus, equals to 102. Then taking 77 to the right hand side, change to minus 77. 11x minus 6x is 5x, equals to 102 minus 77 is 25. So divide both sides by the coefficient of x. You discover that your 5x over 5 is equals to 25 over 5. 5 will cancel 5, x will be equals to 25 divided by 5 is 5.